Good day, everyone. How are you? I hope that everybody are ready for our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is about adverb. But let's focus only on adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Before we dive into adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place, let us know first what is adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies, describes, or changes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, or where something happens. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manners answer the questions how or in what manner an action happens. Examples: slowly, happily, sadly, joyfully, beautifully. Another adverb is adverb of place. It answers the question where or what place the action happened. So we have examples: beach, town, school, market, house, and garden. Another example of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time answer the questions when or what time the action happened. Examples are tomorrow, yesterday, today, tonight, last week, on Monday. That's all about adverb.